Best collection Mizo channel clear to ta chibai le vek ole. Ole tuntrum achuan Indian Army a lu dan chi hrang kan ngai thla ho dona. Zirlai te le sipaya tran tum ten in tangkai pui theinan he video hi siamani. Indian Army te hi India ram himna na ban poimo beran ni a. Ṭhalai Sipai le theina naitan Indian Army a lut luka hlu le chen fak om chuang lo ani. He pola lut tur hian pol som atanga pol som pani pas te tan hun tha a in hong thina. Graduate, law graduate, engineer zirlai le pas to tan te po hun tha a in hong vekani. Thiamna zirin sepoya tanga officer thlengin luna chance om veka. Chung te chu kan ngai thla ho don ani. Indian Army a officer a lu theidan. National Defence Academy 1 le 2. National Defence Academy exam hi sipai officer a lu theina ani a. Kumtin voi ni exam omin NDA 1 le NDA 2 a thran hran ani a. Ṭhalai kumsom paruk le achan ve atanga kumsom pakwa le achan ve inkar pol som pani pastan he exam hi machon thayani. Union Public Service Commission UPSC chuan kumtin April emo May thla emo NDA 1 exam hi a buatsaih thina. January emo February thla application buai puyangai thin. NDA 2 hi August thla vela UPSC in notification ati chuak thina. September thla exam nei ani thin bokani. He exam hi UPSC in India rampum huapina buatsaih thina. Heta tlingte hi Army, Navy, Air Force a emo semkol thin an ni. He exam tlingte hi an kum thum chung basic training National Defence Academy a training an naya. Army turan ni chuan Indian Military Academy a kum khat training an nei chunzom le thin ani. Navy turan ni chuan NDA a kum thum basic training an nei hnuwa Naval Academy a kum khat training an chunzom le thina. Air Force turan ni chuan NDA a kum thum basic training an nei hnuwa Air Force Academy Hyderabad a kum khatemo kum khat le chan ve mo training an chunzom le angai bokani. Training an zo hnuwa Army a lut turan ni chuan Lieutenant an ni ngal dona. Navy a lut turan ni chuan Sub Lieutenant an ni dona. Air Force a lut turan ni chuan Flying Officer an ni thung dona ni. Exam atling officer hi commission officer an ti a. Non-commission officer chu rank niam jok sepoy an ti general duty soldier tradesman nursing assistant soldier technical atanga officer on kai chho hi non-commission officer an ti thung ani. Non-commission officer te hian sipai training lai kai hruaite sipai lak thar tur buai pui te le technical lamhna an thok Tlangpuia. Commission officer te chuan management laman khoi Tlangpui train. Non-commission officer te ti tur le na tur hi commission officer te nan tuk sak bok train ani. Sipai ho tulok sipai officer lian te hi hetiang exam paltlanga bultran vekan ni. NDA exam hi kumtin Ṭhalai nuai te lian machon trina. Mizo te potling an om venual to ani. He exam hi kan machon ve don ani chuan UPSC in advertisement an chua kan lo ngai chan renga tha ang. Tin Mizorama Sainik Welfare and Resettlement Office a po zo thei renga ni. Exam zo na hlui tam tak inan lok na tur om to a. Tin hetiang exam ha chon tur tan in buat sei na tur le khabu tha tam tak om to ani. Dora lei mai thei ni. Exam do na in buat sei chiam lawin high school kalaya tanga lawin chiar loka thavio mai NDA exam hi aizola trangpon exam thayani. Combined Defence Service CDS. CDS exam hi sipai officer trang tura exam an buat sai ani boka. Hei ve thung hi chu graduate le atluk pui pass emo final year zir mek te tan exam thayani a. Hei po hi kum khata voi ni CDS 1 le CDS 2 exam buat sai ani thina. Union Public Service Commission in exam hi a buat sai thina ni. February thla le November thla exam hi nei thina ni a. CDS 1 February a exam tura hian UPSC hian ahma kum October thla notification ati chuak thina CDS2 November exam tur hi August thla vela notification a chuak thin bokani exam tur tan ngei ven reng chi ani tin exam atana inbuat seinan tin exam atana inbuat seinan lekha bu tha tak tak du to ka leitur dora om to ani zona hluite po internet a olsam taka hmu mai thei ni bok CDS exam dona application form fill up huna lu theina sang sang du thlan tur a oma Indian Military Academy a lut tur tan nupuila nei lo kumsom pakwa tanga kumsom ni pali an ni angaya graduate mo atluk pui zo to le final year zirmek ten an deal theini CDS exam a hian Navy thlangani chuan exam I pass nuwa Indian Naval Academy a I training thunganga hemi deal thei chu kumsom pakwa tanga kumsom ni pali inkar ni in graduate mo atluk pui pass semo final year zirmek te tan nupuila nei lo ini ngai bokani tin borok sipai Air Force lam I thlangani chuan CDS exam form mi fill up huna Air Force lam I thlanangai donani I pass ani chuan Air Force Academy a I training thunganga kumsom pakwa tanga kumsom ni pali inkar nupuila nei lo graduate mo atluk puile final year zirmek te tan a exam thayani tin officer training academy a training turin CDS exam form fill up thei boka hei ve thung hi chu nupuila nei lo mai ba ka nupui nei to tan te po dil thayani a kumsom pakwa tanga kumsom ni panga inkar tan dil thayani officer training academy hi chu mei chetan po dil thayani a nula emo pasal then to emo tan po dil thayani officer training academy a lut tur hian graduate le atluk pui emo final year zirlai ten an deal thei bokani CDS exam hi aizola po exam thayani Territorial Army hi sipai pa ngai thachang dol tu an ni a sipai changlai te chok jang khai tu ni in mipui van tlang himna tan te thokin khuarel chet na thleng le tul le momo boipui tu le atul na pianga che chuak tur an ni a tuna hian Territorial Army hi sing level anom mekani hemi exam tur hian graduate chin kumsom paria te tanga kumsom li pani inkar te nan deal thaya nupui nei le nupuila nei lo tan po deal thei ve ve ni mipa graduate chin minol pui civilian zinga mi emo sipai bang kumsom paria te tanga kumsom li pani inkar ten Territorial Army hi an deal thayani kumtin Territorial Army hmun puya tangin exam tura hriat tirna ti chhuwa thin ani a civilian tan May le June thla exam form fill up thin ani a July thla exam ani thin sipai bang tan January thla dilna thelu thei ni in April thla interview nei ani thin ani sipai bang te tan hian Territorial Army a lut tur hian exam ma chhona ngai lowa interview chau an ma chhon thin ani Technical Entry Scheme TEC1 le 2 Indian Army chuan Ṭhalai kumsom paruk le achan ve atanga kumsom pakwa le achan ve inkar pol som pahnih pass belkhoma mark somsari hmuchin science latan exam a buatsaih thina kum khata voi ni exam hi nei thin ani January exam hi ahma kum May le June a hriat tirna ti chhuwa thin ani a dilna siam ngal wat tur ani July thla a exam tur tan October le November thla a hriat tirna ti chhuwa thin ani boka he exam atling te chu Army Engineering line a kal turin training tir an ni thina an training zo hian lieutenant rank pe kan ni Technical Entry Scheme TES atling te hian training kum nga chung an nei thina basic training hi kum khat nein Officer Training Academy Gaya Bihara an nei thina ni basic training an nei hian training phase 1 le phase 2 a then le in phase 1 training hi pre-commission training an ti a College of Military Engineering CME Pune Maharashtra emo Military College of Telecommunication Engineering MCTE Madhya Pradesh emo Mechanical Engineering MCEME Secunderabad Telangana emo training an chunjom le thina ni training an zo hian engineering degree hlan an ni thina officer lieutenant rank pe kan ni ngal boka kumrei lo te hnuwa captain a kai san tir ngal an ni thin boka ni technical graduate course TGC1 le 2 he exam hi mi patan chawa buatsaih thin ani a engineering line rang civil engineering electrical and electronics computer engineering le engineering line rang zir zo to emo final year zir lai tan exam kum khata voi ni buatsaih thin ani a kumsom hni atanga kumsom hni pasari inkar an ni ngai ani kumtin May June emo November December emo exam hi nei thin ani NCC technical exam Staff Selection Commission chuan engineering graduate tan kum khata voi ni army officer torin exam a buatsaih thina kumsom hni atanga kumsom hni pasari tan exam form hi fill up thayani kumtran tir le kumtop lama he exam hi nei thin ani a Staff Selection Commission technical exam atling te chu Officer Training Academy Chenaya training an nei thin ani NCC entry National Service Scheme NCC a kumhni tal lotel to NCC a C certificate nei graduate mark somnga muchin te tan Indian Army lu theina a in hong boka heng ho tan hian exam ngai lawin Army Service Selection Board in interview a kawa an kal thayani kumsom pakwa tanga kumsom hni panga inkar nupui pasalla nei lo tan dil thayani a kumbul lama emo kumtop lama emo hemiatan hian interview ma chon thayani interview ma chon tur hian a hmada in dilna siamangai thina sipai tang du tan Indian Army website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in hi tlode uring a fu hle ani Judge Advocate General 1 le 2 dan lampanga graduate tan sipaya luna hun tha in hong boka LLB mark za somnga panga mutan le Bar Council of India a in register tan dil thayani a dil tu chu kumsom hni pakhata tanga kumsom hni pasari inkar ni angai ani ole sipai officer a lu dan kan soi tanuala tuna chuan sipai bulthut sepoi a lu dan kan ngai thla ho le don ani sepoi hanti hian heng general duty soldier clerk storekeeper soldier technical soldier nursing assistant soldier treatment te hi a huam vekani soldier treatment te hi a huam vekani general duty tur hian kumsom pasari le chan ve atanga kumsom hni pakhat inkar pol som pas tan dil thayani a soldier clerk storekeeper hei hi kumsom pasari le chan ve atanga kumsom hni pathum inkar pol som pani pas mark som ruk muchin ten an dil thaya English le mathematics a mark som nga talan hu ngai bokani soldier technical kumsom pasari le achan ve atanga kumsom hni pathum inkar ten an dil thaya pol som pani science pass mark muza chorwala za som nga muchin ten an dil thayani soldier nursing assistant kumsom pasari le achan ve atanga kumsom hni pathum class 12 science la physics chemistry biology ya mark za somli muchin ten an dil thei thungani soldier tradesman hei hi kumsom pasari le achan ve atanga kumsom hni pathum inkar ten an dil thaya pol som pass emo pol red pass ITI certificate nei ten an dil thei thungani measurement le medical lama thilpoi mo chu sei to lo maila sipai intlar tur hriat tir na hi Indian Army chuan ti chuak thina radio television le social media le sarkar kaltlang in hriat tir na hi puan thina ni awangin mani lo in beng wara lo ngai ven ve reng kha a thaberani ole sipai lu dan Tlangpui kan han soi tanuala Ṭhalai Sipai tantum te tan engemaw kong tala atangkai ka baisaya chona thar apek ngei ka ringani ole khati jong kha tuna ta na video kanin ho the te chu ani le ta video dot lein lo ngai chang tho don nia in zawa in mangtha le evek ole